Hi everyone, let's talk about why some jewelry costs a lot of money. This video will mainly look at two old crafting styles, enamel paintings and chassis. Enamel painting is basically natural rock ground into color powder. We put this colored liquid onto a metal shape. Then we place it in a very hot oven, about 800 to 900 degrees Celsius. Different colors need different heat levels. This heat makes the color melt and stick to the metal. We have to bake it over and over, sometimes more than 10 times, to get that beautiful, bright enamel effect. The best part is that it looks like a shiny, clear gemstone and the colors stay bright for hundreds of years. But here is the problem. Every time we bake a layer of enamel, if we make even a small mistake, it can crack or bubble. That's why we often only finish less than 30% of the pieces we start. Next, let's look at the chassis process. This is a very important step in making Jingtailan art. We take a metal well about 0.3 millimeters thin and bend it to match the pattern we design. We fix these wells onto the surface of the object to create a detailed design. For something as small as your hand, just the well work can take 3 to 5 days. These raised lines separated the enamel colors, making the final piece look much richer. However, this process requires highly skilled hands from the artist. Both of these styles take a lot of time and need very experienced people. Naturally, the cost is very high. To get a similar beautiful look, of course, not as perfect as a price that costs so much time and money, we have created new, similar techniques. Our goal is to work faster and spend less money to copy the look of chassis enamel. We use this new method on our gold and silver decoration paintings. That's all for today's video. Follow me to learn more about the stories behind our gold products.